Excel is the most used tool in every organization. So today I am going to tell how ChatGPT AI can help you to increase your employee performance, your organization productivity. Hi, my name is Sandeep Mishra. I'm a tech guy helping businesses to grow their business using AI automation. So let's get started. So let's start with the ChatGPT. Let me share my screen. So I'm on the page of Chat GPT. If you don't know how to reach there, go on Google and type Chat GPT. And the first link you can get here, that is OpenAI. OpenAI is the parent company of Chat GPT. So click on this link and here you can see try Chat GPT. And it will take you on the home page where you can try commands. So let's try some commands. For example, we go on Google and search for how to. So similarly, we can use how to commands here. So let's go here and type how to use max and min functions to find the largest and smallest value in a range of cells. So you can see what's coming. To find the largest and smallest value in a range of cells in Excel, you can use max and min functions respectively. So you can see how detailed you are getting, which you will not get in Google. It will give you the complete detail step by step how you can use these functions. So let's try some more. For example, I am going to try a different one. How to use left, right, and mid functions to extract specific character from a string. So let's try this. And you can see it's giving the left function is used to extract character from the left hand side of a text string, while right function extracts characters from the right side of a string. So that is what you can try. For example, if you want to try left, you can use like this. If you want to try right, you can use like this. So for example, in any case you were going on Google and searching how to, that is what you can search here on Google. You have to find the right page, the right article about that, and then you can use. But here you will get detailed information in step by step how you can use functions in Excel. The second is ask to write a command. For example, we often write we can't write a command for this, write a command for that on Google, but here we can write that kind of commands. For example, I'm going to write a command. So let me type, and that is write me an Excel command to use count function to count the number of cells with data in a range. So you can see this kind of command you can't give on Google, but here you can give and you will get detailed information. For example, to use count function to count the number of cells with data in a range in Excel, you can follow these steps. Select a cell where you want the result to appear and type is equal to count. Select a range of cell you want to count. So you can see like it's giving you in step by step what you have to do, and then you will get the result. After that, it's also giving you examples. Like after giving you steps, it's giving you example that how you can use this, and that's the power. Because if you are using Google or you are let's try this on Google and see that what are you getting. So if I'm going here and typing, so you can see this is what you are getting here. That is not in detail like you can get on Chat GPT. So let's try some other write commands. So I'm trying a different one. That is write me an Excel command to use concatenate function to join the text from multiple cells into one cell. So you can see it's also giving you detailed information how you can use concatenate, and step by step you can use. And after that we also getting some examples which you can use to give the result. So one more command, and that is write me an Excel command to use date and time function to insert the current date and time into a cell. So sometimes we have this kind of requirement where we have to insert current date and time in a particular Excel sheet, and that is what you can ask to Chat GPT, and it will give you detailed step by step method by which you can insert date and time in a particular cell. So the third type of command is act like, where you ask ChatGPT to act like. For example, I'm going to give a command where I'm asking ChatGPT to act like a text-based Excel sheet. So I'm writing a command. I want you to act as a text-based Excel. So, and again, you will only reply me the text-based 10 rows Excel sheet with row number and cell letters as columns A to L. First column header should be empty to reference row number. I will tell you what to write in cells, and you will reply only the result of Excel table as text. So you can see, like you are explaining to your employee in a same way, in a similar way, you can explain to ChatGPT. And let's see what's coming in result. So it's writing a kind of Excel sheet here from A to L and 1 to 10. So the good part is after writing this Excel's text-based Excel sheet, you can give other commands like write 100 in A to A1 to A10. So let's see. So now it's able to understand because already you given a command, and based on that context, it's writing 100 in A to A10. So it's not like that you are giving one command and every command you have to give every command that is a separate command. It's able to understand that whatever you given before and what it has to done after that. So you can see we are getting the result like this, and then again I will ask write sum of A1 to A10 in L1. So now you can see. So based on the context we set here, it's writing everything. So you can see like again it's adding sum of A1 to A10 in L1 and writing this Excel sheet. So this is how you can ask ChatGPT to act like text-based Excel. And the fourth type of command is validate, where you have something in your mind and you want to validate with ChatGPT. So let me find a command by which we can validate. So I'm writing a command here. Let me remove. Let me try this. So now I'm entering, and you can see I have an idea validate. I have been trying to use data validation on cells that have formulas in them, but it seems like it doesn't work even on the latest Excel version. For example, cell A2 contains formula equal to B2 plus C2. If I set the validation on cell A2 saying that the sum shouldn't be greater than 10, any number could still be put into cell B2 and C2. So it's giving me answer. That's correct. When you set up data validation in Excel, it is only checks the value in cell where the validation is applied. It doesn't evaluate any formula in other cells referenced by the formula in the cell being validated. So if you set a validation rule on cell A2, which uses the values from cells B2 and C2 in formula, the validation rule will not be triggered if the value in B2 and C2 change and cause the value in A2 to exceed the validation limit. So you can see like it's giving me the detailed uh, validation that what is correct and what is not correct. So it's work like your teacher when you are asking something, you have some idea in your mind and you want to validate by Chat GPT, it will validate that what is right and what is wrong. And the fifth kind of command is like sometimes we have quite big formulas and we are not able to understand. In that case, we can uh, ask ChatGPT to explain the formula we have. So explain this formula, and then you will type the formula, and you can see this formula is an array formula that searches for a matching record in a table on sheet 1. Based on criteria, it returns the corresponding value from column V of table if a match is found, or an empty string if no match is found. So you can see this formula is quite complex complex and I'm not able to understand that what it's doing. So I just written that please explain what in what is in this formula, and I'm getting a very detailed explanation, and now I'm able to understand that what is purpose of this formula. So this is how sometimes you are not able to explain, you are not able to understand the formula. You can just ask Chat GPT to explain the formula, and it will explain you in a very detailed way. So these are the commands which you can use in your organization to increase the your employees productivity. They can understand formula, they can write command, they can ask Chat GPT that whether it is right, whether it is wrong. With this, we came to the end of this video. Today we learned how to write how to command, write command, act command, and validate command in ChatGPT to enhance your Excel skills. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel. So whenever I will upload this kind of video, you will get notification. With this, I'm going to end this video. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out.